that is Black, Indigenous, people of color owned brands. So today I chose some Beauty Bakery makeup. Their Instabake foundation. I bought this earlier in the summer. I love this foundation. It's a really nice coverage, very natural finish, wears really well. I love this foundation. It's great. And they have like a really wide range of shades. So check them out. For reference, I am the shade 347C. Yes. And it's a great match for me. Really love it. And I am also wearing one of their lip whips. This is the shade I like to Chai Chai. It's a really pretty nude. This is a go-to. Love it. Their lip whips, like, they stay on. They are amazing. So if you're looking for a good liquid lipstick that really stays, check theirs out. They have a ton of colors too, and I can't believe this is the only one that I have. So I actually think I'm gonna pick up some more. Oh, and one more thing. I had to go into the other room to get this, but this is their lip whip remover, and these are great. They are little saturated pads to remove your lip whip, because that's how good they put. So these are like oil infused, and they just take it right off. It's magic. So these are totally worth it. Definitely recommend. I think that's all the details we need to talk about today. So I hope you guys are having a great Friday. I know it's almost over for most of you.